Next we're going to put in the piece number 40, which is this piece. We also put in 2 screws there, 1 there, 2 there, and also 2 wooden dowels on each side, 1 there and 2 there. Now we're ready to put in position. Next we put in this piece number 40 in this position like that. Make sure it's nice and tight on the joint there, and once you have finished doing that, we also lock in from the inside the 2 locking device there. Once you're satisfied with the position with the roof there, we also put in the joining clip, which is the bent circular piece there. We put in the edge like so to hold that, make sure it's nice and tight, and also put in 2 screws in like that, so make it nice and even and nice and tight. This is a part where we install in the ladder. Now as you can see in front of you, this is a piece number 44. First we put in the locking device, the white one, 1 there, 2, 3 and 4. Now pay particular attention when you put this white locking device. Make sure the arrow is actually pointing toward the hole like this, in like that, so the screw can go in later on. Now next we're going to put in 1 wooden dowel there, 2 wooden dowel, and also 2 on this side as well. Okay, now the golden rule for this one is when you put in the wooden dowel, make sure you got 60% in and 40% out. Now we'll put it in like that, so make sure it's about 40% outside like that and 60% inside the wood. Okay, now we're facing upward like that. Next we're going to put in the piece number 42 and number 43 on each side of the pieces like that. Now here we're going to use a 50mm screw to tighten it in. Here we put it in 1 on top and also 1 on the bottom of the 50mm screw, and we also put 2 on this side as well. Now as you can see here, we put 2 50mm screw in, 1 on top and 1 on the bottom, and also we do the same on the other side as well. 2 screw, 1 on top in that there, and also 1 on the bottom of this hole there. Now in this stage here, make sure actually you tighten it in nicely and tight. Now as you can see, the finished piece should look like this. Now next we're doing this one. Next we line up the 2 frames like so. Now next we're going to put in 4 screws in. As you can see there, we're going to put in a 50mm screw as well. As you can see, you put the stand down like this, and we put the 2 metal frame like in this position. Now we're going to use 4 60mm screw to tighten in the pieces. As you can see there, it's 1 hole there, 2 there, and also 3 there and 4 there. And before we do it, make sure we put in the white locking device in before we tighten it in there, and also 1 locking device there, and also 1 more 60mm screw in like so, and we do the same for the other one as well. Next you're going to put in 3 pin panel, 1 there, 2 there, 3 there, and the 4th one on the bottom. So it's 4 pin panel. And then we also line up the second one here on the top, white panel, 2 white panel on the step, and a 3 white panel, and the square one on top like so. Now underneath there, you're going to use a 35mm screw for each of the pieces, 2 there on each side, and we tied it in with a 35mm screw. And once you finish, the whole ladder should look like so and ready for assemble in. Next we're going to put this clip into the ladder. As you can see, there's 2 of the black hook there and also 4 screw we need to put it in. Now once you got the hinge in, we put position 1 on the bottom there and also 1 on the side there, and then we screw it in position into the side of the bed. And then next you're gonna put in the ladder on the side there and join it together like so, and then it's finished.